be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right. Now today we're gonna get into, once again, the debut model from my all-time favorite NBA player, and that guy is Shaquille O'Neal. All right. And this is the blue chips version of his first shoe. All right, these came from Packer Shoes, official friend of the program. That's what it says there on the tag. And you see the reserve tag there. There's another reserve tag there. The Shaq logo, and that was the other one, was the official friend of the program. Hit number 50 there on the back. On the insole, you see that official friend of the program. So these were based off of the movie Blue Chips that Shaq starred in with, I believe it was Nick Nolte. Penny Hardaway is also in that movie. All right, nice materials on these. Nice suede there. Very dope shoes. Boom. As you can see in the background, the debut colorway, the very first pair of Shaq's. Boom. All right. I'll put these to the side. And these are my most recent ones. The Superman, the DC Comics Man of Steel. I just wore these the other day. I wore them, and they're very, very, very comfortable, man. I wore them like all day long. Great cushion in here. I wore them around Oklahoma City. Went out to dinner, went around, did a little shopping, sightseeing. Man, these are comfortable. This model is very comfortable. All right. So that brings us to today. And let's bring it in. Oh, is that upside down? No, that's right. Shaq. All right. Reebok. Nothing on that side. Reebok. All right. Let's go ahead and get into it. These are the Reebok Shaq Attaq. All right, colorway is black and white and Azure. Size 14 in these bad boys. All right, the Shaq shoe boxes are huge, man. I mean, I know he's big and the shoes themselves are pretty big, but goodness gracious. Like, look how big the box. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into these, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Oh, yes, sir. Glad I finally got the alternate colorway, man. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The away colorway for the Orlando Magic jerseys. The away. So this was the home. And this was the away. Even though he did wear these with the black uniforms sometimes. But this was that alternate, that other colorway, that away. I've always wanted these, but they usually sold out quick. And these did, which was ridiculous. I was on the Reebok website immediately. Like, So I'm in Central Time. The shoes went on sale at midnight Eastern Standard Time, which would be 11 o'clock my time. I was on the site at 10:59. I said, cool, boom, 11 hits, I'm ready to go. Soon as the time hits, size 14 is already low in stock. I was like, how? It just switched over. Next thing you know, I go in to add it to cart. I can't even buy it. It was like, was there just one pair on the Reebok website? Was there just a single pair? Goodness gracious. The size 14 was gone instantly. Luckily, I was able to find them. I can't remember where I got them. I want to say Champs, Foot Locker, one of those two. Held me down. I was able to pick these up in my size 14. All right. And that's another thing I wanted to get into. I wish that shoes were all like the same across the board. Because yes, these are 14, and I would recommend for me, like, I have to go up a little bit. Like, my true size is more of a 13 to 13 and a half, but I have to go up a little bit in these. But I wouldn't recommend going down at all or getting your true size in these, because the size 14 fits perfect in these. It's not too roomy. It's not too long. These fit perfect in that size 14 for me. So it depends on how you like to wear your shoes. But wearing these the other day, that 14 fit perfect. But yeah, man. Anyway, I'm rambling about other things, but these are amazing. See your pump there, your Reebok pump. Pump it up. Nice cushioning. Kind of reminds me of the Jordan 2s in the sense of how thick that is. It's not as thick because it dips a little bit here in the center, whereas the Jordan 2s are all the way around there, real thick. But the size of it, and it reminds me of that. All right, on the back you have your Shaq logo there. The quality on these are pretty good. You take the paper out, pretty good quality. On the inside it says, "All men count on you, but none too much." That's what that says on the inside. All men count on you, but none too much. And then you have your Shaq logo. Blue insole, white lettering. All right. Reebok logo there. Shaq logo there. Pretty decent quality leather. The toe box here, I never noticed this before, but it kind of looks like the Iverson. Like, right, do I have a pair in here? I thought I had a pair of Iversons in here. I don't. Yes, I do. Kind of reminds me of... Actually, no, it's not this one that I'm looking... kind of. The other one as well. Like, yeah, they're kind of the same. These are the LeBron versions of the Iversons. Let's put those back. But the other, the Answers, this toe box looks kind of like the Answers to me. I wonder if that's a intentional thing. But you got your carbon fiber hits there. I like the blue hits going down the tongue, and that you can see through the laces there, black laces. Anything on the lace tips? Nope, just black. These aren't for them to be Shaq shoes, they're not very heavy. They're not the heaviest of shoes. They're kind of light, actually. But they're still dope, and they're ones that I had to have. Let's see if there's anything on the right that's worth mentioning. Nope, everything is exactly the same. So, we gotta do now, we gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet with the Reebok Shaq Attaq, the black and blue colorway. Alright, Boom. You can see there. Nice side profile there. Let's do the sizing reference. Alright. So my big toe is about right there. Alright. About right there. Now, lengthwise, could I probably get away with a 13? Maybe. But widthwise, no, because my big toe, or my pinky toe, I should say, is already starting to slide up. They're not very wide in the toe box area. So I could feel like if I got a 13, I'd be kind of tight and snug, and I don't like the way that feels. But if you're going to hoop in them, maybe do that. So that's my recommendation. I like the way a 14 fits, which is about a half size up for me. So that feels perfect for me. These are very comfortable in that size. Alright. Now, let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. You can see that Shaq logo there on the back. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Very, very dope shoe, man. Glad that I was able to find them and get them in my correct size, because these are dope. This is one that had been eluding me for years. Sizes would always sell out. But now I have the two matching sets. Glad that I have both pairs of these. I mainly wanted to have both the black and the white of this shoe, and now I have them. So I'm content, man. I'm happy with that. And then as an added bonus, I have a few other colorways of this shoe, you know? So I'm happy overall. Happy overall. My favorite player of all time. Who's my GOAT? Shaq. Is he the GOAT? No. But he's my favorite player. He's the greatest player of all time. To me, he's the reason I personally fell in love with the game of basketball and wanted to play basketball. Shaquille O'Neal. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. These are still available in some places if you want them. So if you're thinking about copping, look around. They're there. Peace.